All right, cool. So, second PC part. I didn't even record the first one I got, which was a graphics card. I got a 4070 Super, but I just got mine. Let me show it off. Wait, step back a little bit. This is gonna be amazing. Yeah, got the case. I just got off, or not just got off work, but I got off work literally 30 minutes after, went to Best Buy. They only had one left. Had to pick up this. Another piece to the puzzle. So, just finished watching the Super Bowl with my girlfriend, but I had a package on the way the same day, and I don't want to get finessed, so we're gonna see this in front of my door. Oh yeah. So you might be wondering, what was in the box? Was it PC fans? Was it a mouse? Nah, it's the brain. Oh, sideways. Another piece to the puzzle. We almost done. Whew. Just got home from work, man. I was working all day today. And as you can see, it's Valentine's Day, so I got some stuff for my boo. But another part came in. Let's see what it is. Yes, what's on my door? Let me open me door. What's on my door? Good thing nobody porch pirated me. Hey, that's a Max Z790H Ti Max Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi 7 and DDR5 compatibility. So I forgot to record the second part, but this was what was in the box. Oh wait, no, I did record it. I'm tripping. But this just came today, unnoticeably. Was not ready for that, but got the power supply now. All right, so just got, well, not didn't just get back, but went to Best Buy. I got storage and the key. So not only did all that stuff I just showed in the last clip came in, but also my Amazon package came in. Yeah, got my case fans, controller, and I got some good old DDR. And I'm not talking about Dance Dance Revolution. I almost have all the pieces in my hand. Only got two more things I'm waiting for. A mouse and a case fan. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kende. Hope you're having a good day. And if not, you came to the right place, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And today, as you guys can see from the title, is the day, man. Today is the day. I've been collecting the Infinity Stones, and I have them all here. I have all the pieces that I need. And it's time to build the PC, man. It's time to build it. I talked about it in my very first video, how when I got my own place, I would be wanting to get my PC. Well, I've graduated college now, and this is probably the first thing I've done to treat myself. Pause. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. Bring it in. Bring it in. As y'all can already tell, this video was recorded like in February. All of this was in February. This video is supposed to be out in March, but I left in March to go to LA for like a month. And of course I left my hard drive. So I couldn't do any editing, couldn't post any videos. So that's why this is a little late, but this thing is sweet. I'll be so honest. This PC is nice. It's nice. That's what I'm using to edit this video in. So you guys are going to see an up in quality and quantity. I got some cool stuff coming up, but let's get back into it. Kendall, pass Kendall, keep going. Show them the build. It's gonna be a long video because I don't know exactly what I'm doing. It's the first build, and I'm gonna have to be watching a ton of YouTube videos, so it's gonna be a lot of cutting around. So let's get into it. And what I've seen people do is when they build this, they usually build it on the top. They like put the stuff on the top of their motherboard. And that's like the easiest part I've seen, is like prepping the motherboard, getting that all suited up and ready. And this thing is nice. The nice little MSI dragon on it. Yep. Let me take some more stickers off. Let me take some more things off. Woo! Let that sound. Yep. let's get to building this thing. Let's get the CPU in here. Hello, brains of the operation. This thing's kind of heavy, actually. It's got a little heft to it. Let me just, I gotta put this in the good camera. Woo! All right, it's in. The brains are in. This is the part everybody likes to see. Now that the brains are in, pull the pin down. I think that's what you do, right? No. Okay, I see what I'm supposed to do. So what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to push this down. All right, let's see. Woo! Yep. Pop goes the weasel.
God, the weasel say pop.
All right, and then we can put this. Stressful. Now, let's get some RAM. Show the camera what it looks like. I'm scared. This is nerve-wracking. I don't have room for mistakes. Next is my SSD. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. There we go. I think it's so little, but it packs so much technology in it. My hands are shaking. All right, it's in. It's got the little bounce going on. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. RAM is in. We have the CPU and we have the SSD. Putting the back brackets, just how you screw the AIO on. There we go. All right, it's in. All right, so what I'm gonna do is let's get these panels off here. This one off and lift it up. Yes. Take the glass plate. Don't worry, it's got the plastic on it, so I'm not fingerprinting it up. Perfect. Okay, so what I gotta do now is gotta put this thing on its back. Is we lift this big girl up. Ooh. Now that's pure technology. And then I need to set it down in here because I see the holes. No falling, please. Steady. Looks great. He said he likes to put the power connector, so I think that means like the USB, I want to say, like USB-C. I think that's what these are. Okay, it's time for the AIO. Big time now. Big time, big time. I will say this stuff looks much bigger in person. I mean, yeah, in person than it does like on YouTube videos. I'm actually gonna use these instead of the fans they gave me. On here like this. I'm gonna have it like this. Radiator, but it's coming together. I'm tired, but we keep building. This is where boys become men. Plastic is off. My intrusive thought is to touch the thermal paste, but I'm not going to. Yes! It's on. Let's go. That took way too long. So what was going on was I couldn't figure out where the AIO pump is. I didn't realize that even though the thing had 3 pins in it, the AIO pump is 4. The header has 4 pins sticking out. The thing only has 3 holes in it. Did not understand that. That was tripping me out. Didn't even realize until about 20 minutes ago, not even, like 5 minutes ago, that my laptop died. So some stuff may have been missed, but so far, got the pumps. Pump is in. Connecting a few things when it comes to RGB. I just put these in, but I haven't wired them down yet. Like they're not locked in yet. I think in the morning I'm gonna just finish up, see what we can do. It's 9 o'clock. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not 9 o'clock. It's like midnight. What time is it? Yeah, it's 12:15. It's beautiful outside though. Let me show you all the reason why I can stay up this late, even though I got work tomorrow. Well, I suppose I got work tomorrow. Oh yeah, nice little snow day. So while I'm snowed in, we're gonna finish this build. All right, I'll catch y'all in the morning. Good night. All right, it's the next morning, y'all. It's snow on the ground. Work does not have to be done, at least not at Chick-fil-A. Thank you, Lord. And it's time to get back working on this thing. What I'm about to do is I'm about to take the fans off the back, these that came with it, and throw in the RGB ones. So let's get it work. Let's get back to work. I might as well get this in there now. All right, we got a lot of progress done. The power supply is in, the cord's over here. I got the fans in the back. I also got the fans in the front mounted as well. I'm doing a little cable managing, as you can see. This thing is a beast. Let's keep going though. Nice. Yep. It's time for a lunch break. Then we're getting back into it. I think it might be backwards. I don't know. But for lunch, I got some cut up pork, some cut up steak, And I got some fried rice. Man, we eating good before we finish this PC. Yeah, I'm hungry, so you know I'm hungry. Ah, pop me. All right, I see y'all. Oh, I haven't even put the sesame seeds on it. Oh yeah, I'm him. This PC about to get done double the time now. Long time coming. All the cables looking good. They're all in. I got one more piece. It's the graphics card. One more piece, man. Good old 47.
How many stars on the American flag?
Shit, we got 13 colonies, so 13 minus 50. Goddamn, 47.
Super. All right, so the story behind this thing, man. I got this the perfect timing. Right before the 50 series and the whole shortage came. So this thing did not cost me a kidney. It didn't cost me an arm or a leg. Whew. It's my first time taking it out the box. Whew. I don't even know how to hold this thing. Let's get this thing into the case. Looks like everything has come together. Now to plug it up. Also, not recording on here because I'm out of storage. Also, before I plug it up, let me just get some of this. Ooh. Okay, it's on the desk. What I'm about to do is I'm about to plug it up, take the plastic off, and then gotta give it a test run. All right, it's time. Test one for the new PC. Oh wait, let's press power. Wait, I didn't press the power button. We got nervous. We got. Oh, everything looks like it's working. Everything looks like it's working. I can take the plastic off. Wait, what does that yellow light mean? It's gone. Let's go. Let's go. Huh? Wait, what happened? Okay, it might be a few bugs. Let's turn it off for right now. It's a success. Just left Micro Center in St. Louis. I just got home actually from LA, so I gotta show y'all what I got. Though the PC's already built, I got me some streamers, cause why not? And then I got one of these for the back. You know, you can never have too much airflow. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and you definitely seen this.